In the ideate stage, what we're doing is generating ideas. It's an open-minded process. We're looking for quantity, not quality at this point. And one of the key facets of this stage is being non-judgmental. Crazy ideas are welcome, and maybe the crazier the better. What we're looking for at this point is quantity rather than quality. It's a basic brainstorming setup, and I've found working with students that having chart paper and lots of sticky notes is a great way of doing this. And what we're looking for here is the potential that we can take and start creating artifacts in the prototype stage. So for designers, for students, the best thing is to have as many ideas as possible, and even if they're outrageous, we're not worried about whether an idea is feasible. We're not worried about whether it's possible. What we're looking for is just ideas, because if we find some great ideas, we can make them possible. And what I want each of you to do is to take your action statement that you've come up with and put it on the top of the chart paper. So for example, these four guys here will have 4 different chart paper with their individual action statement on it. But what I want them to do is to look at each other's statement and come up with ideas for each other, right? Remember, why do we work in groups to do this? Because, what's that? You got it. You had it. Perfect. What?
One brain is better than...
Yeah, 4 brains are better than 1 brain. 4 brains are smarter than 1 brain. So by working on this as a group, even though you're actually working on an individual assignment, by working at this as a group and putting down ideas for each other, each of you is going to come up with more ideas than you'd be able to do on your own.
Is it that clear to everyone? You write your action statement on the big paper, and then you walk around with your post-it notes and write ideas on other people's, and on the post-it note, and put it on theirs.
Yep, yep, you can do it. Actually, that's a good idea. You can do it. I would start off in your groups and then walk around other people. What we do, that's called a gallery walk Monday, right? And from that, you kind of figured out, maybe you were thinking you were going to... Even though this is an individual project, we still need to be sharing ideas. So we should be talking to each other. I should still be hearing lots of chatter between groups.
Kevin, Pitsu, you better pick up your post-it.
Where's your jacket?
No.
Excuse me.
I'm saying right.
Oh yeah. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
See, that's my bowling, yeah? Technology is follow from me.
Once, like a bullying that's happened.
Kind of, like indirectly, you know what I mean?
How?
You know, people are criticizing somebody. I told them to stop seeing somebody actually being bullied.
Yeah, it doesn't happen here.
I've heard about people being bullied and how it's affected
I know.
them.
It's sad.
Yeah, sad. Basically, I'm just gonna copy it.